Casa Guapuruvus by Cornetta Arquitetura is designed as a laboratory for ecological practices in architecture, engineering, and landscape. This house is not only a place to live, but also presents an immersive experience in family life, allowing close interaction with nature, especially for children. In addition, the design of this house can be an inspiration for anyone who wants to create a residence that is in harmony with the environment and sustainable. With more than 70% of its land remaining untouched, Casa Guapuruvus blends with the surrounding landscape, taking advantage of the natural topography to reduce the ecological impact. Large openings and expansive windows connect the interior with the outside, allowing natural light to enter the space while providing a calming view. The wooden terrace that surrounds the house further strengthens the relationship between architecture and its environment, creating a harmonious transition between the interior and exterior spaces. The materials used in the construction reflect strong principles of sustainability. The lower part of the house is built using structural masonry techniques, stone masonry, and exposed concrete walls to create a solid foundation. Meanwhile, the main house adopts a lighter and more environmentally friendly prefabricated system, such as laminated timber, glulam, beams, and nail laminated timber (NLT) floors. With a lightweight steel frame system for its walls, the house is not only efficient in its construction but also ensures long-term structural durability. Sustainability is not only applied in the structural design, but also in the integration of its landscape. After construction was completed, a landscaping project was designed to rehabilitate the native forest that had been cut down around the house. This not only helps regenerate the local ecosystem, but also creates a more harmonious relationship between the residents and nature. Casa Guapuruvus is not just a place to live, but a powerful statement about how architecture can blend with the environment, creating a sustainable home for future generations.